Hi guys and welcome back to a new video. My name is Martina and welcome to my channel The Holiday Workshop. In this video I will show you how I made these candy heart picks. You can use them for your tree, for wreaths, for centerpieces, whatever you like. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and also give my video a thumbs up if you liked it because it helps me out a lot. And if you want to know how I made these picks, then just keep on watching. The first thing I did was to make the little hearts and balls. I used foam clay for this because it's very easy to use and it is super lightweight, which is perfect for picks. I mixed white with the colors I wanted to use to make lighter shades. I used a small cookie cutter to make the little hearts. The clay did stick a bit to it, but it is fairly easy to reshape them. From the leftover clay I made some small balls. Then I let all the clay pieces dry overnight. To make the wire pieces I used an electric screwdriver and attached a hook to it. I cut a long piece of thin wire. Then I held it with my pliers at one end and with the hook at the other end. Then I used the screwdriver to twist the wire together. I wanted each wire to be about 15 centimeters long. Then I added a few centimeters to that and cut them at about 20 centimeters. Next I added the clay pieces to the wire. I used 2 of the tiny balls and 1 heart for each wire. I decided to use 5 of these for each pick. Next I added glitter to the clay pieces, 1 color at a time. To add the glitter I first brushed on Mod Podge and then I sprinkled the glitter on top of it. I like to put a piece of paper on the table when sprinkling glitter, because then I can pour the leftovers back into the glitter jar. To assemble the picks I used a metal stick as a base and then I attached the wire pieces to it using floral tape. Floral tape is coated with sort of a sticky wax that activates when you pull on the tape a little bit. This makes it stick to the stick and also to itself. I started wrapping the floral tape a little bit from the top and then continuing to the top of the stick. Then I added the first wire piece,
Then I wrapped the tape around it a couple of times, starting to slowly move it downwards the stick, and then I added the next wire, wrapped it a couple of times with the tape, and so on. Then I continued to wrap the entire stick with floral tape to make it white, because this way it won't show in my pink tree. Next I painted the wire parts with 2 coats of white acrylic paint. This would probably be easier to do before assembling the pick. Once dry, I painted on a mixture of Mod Podge and glitter. This is to make it a thicker coat to hold more glitter. And then I sprinkled it with iridescent white glitter. I also added glitter to a bit of the stick. Let everything dry and you are all done. Whenever I don't seal the glitter with Mod Podge, I like to spray the surface with a couple of coats of hairspray. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and also give my video a thumbs up and a comment if you liked it, because it really helps me out a lot. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.